welcome to my cooking show. Well, I finally made it to Florida, but it's still hot here. So I've decided to make chicken salad. This is a great recipe for a lunch or a light dinner. It is delicious and refreshing. What I like most about this recipe is the ginger and the curry flavoring. It mixes so well with the fruit and chicken. I can't wait to show you how to make this, so let's get started. Start by cooking 4-bone chicken breasts, or you can buy your chicken already prepared. I like to use rotisserie chicken, and I use Tyson's frozen rotisserie chicken. Now wash your lemon, apples, and grapes. I like to use a vinegar and water wash. Let's prepare the dressing. Using a fresh lemon, squeeze 2 tablespoons of juice into a large bowl. Now add 2 teaspoons of curry powder. Give this a good whisk. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and freshly ground pepper to your taste. Your next step will be to chop or cut your cooled chicken into bite-sized pieces. I like using my kitchen shears. Then you're going to mix the chicken well into the dressing. You can prepare the salad up to this point the night before and leave it refrigerated. That allows the spices to soak into the chicken. Now take 2 apples and cut into bite-sized cubes. I like to use Granny Smith or Macintosh apples. Stir these into the mixture. Now add 1/4 cup of sour cream and 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. And mix that well with all the ingredients in your bowl. Next, coarsely chop 1/2 cup of walnuts or pecans. And add these to the mixture. Now take your 3 tablespoons of crystallized ginger, or candied ginger, that has been soaked to remove that sugar, and cut it into small pieces. Take 1½ cups of seedless grapes and cut them in half. They can be red or green grapes, it doesn't matter. Then gently mix these with the other ingredients. Let's serve our salad. This chicken and fruit salad is so easy to make and is packed with flavor. The sweetness of the fruit and the savory flavor of the chicken, and then the taste of the ginger and curry spices are a perfect combination. You can serve this on a bed of greens or on its own. Now, if you like this recipe, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more delicious and easy to make dishes. And don't forget to give this chicken and fruit salad a try.